Hi friends, today we are going to see from Lesen section B1 exam. There is this Lesen module. From that we'll see Tile 2 text 1. Okay. In last video we had seen that is Tile 1 from this B1 section, and now we are going to see Tile 2, and in that particularly text 1 will take in this video. Again, next video, we'll take text 2. So we'll start. Now I'll share one screen with you. So you will be able to know that what is this tile 2. Obviously, Lesen is reading. Now we'll not go into detail all these rules because it will be there on website, on their website, Goethe website. So you can go and you can see there all these rules. Now here there is one text is given from child 2, and there are 3 tasks actually. Aufgaben 7 bis 9, right? 7 to 9. There are 3 tasks that there will be MCQ. So you will have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Yeah, from this MCQ, I will give you one very important, or you can say bonus tip at the end of the video. So stay tuned throughout. Now, actually, this is one text. Ein Dorf für grüne Energie. Now, this means one village for green energy. Green energy is, you can say, organic or natural. It is environmental friendly. So this is all about maybe one, you can say one technology, modern technology or modern energy, and that is biogas plant. Okay, so in this village is called as Feldheim from Brandenburg. Okay, so in this village, they are saying that the text is saying that now it is oil and coal free. Okay, they are using natural energy through biogas. So they have a biogas gas plant. And now there is this physicist called Eckhard Meyer. Okay, now he is explaining that if you add some animal waste, then grains, wood in that particular plant, and then if you heat it, okay, now then the engine will get burned, and then this energy will get produced. Okay, and this can be used as electricity and heat. For this purpose, it can be used. And naturally or obviously, it is very, very environmental friendly because you are not using any oil or coal. Okay, no man-made resources. This is one natural resource, you can say. So it is called as biogas energy. Now, what scientists and basically scientists, they are explaining that if you use this particular biogas energy, it will be like in a year, it will get doubled. It is double than the other energy. Okay, and if it is extra or surplus, you can store in the grid, and it can be used for other villages too, right? So this is the concept basically. And naturally it is environment friendly, as all of us know. So they are suggesting that this energy or this biogas plant can be built in other villages also. Only thing is, actually, it doesn't need money or it doesn't need much space, right? Very little space is okay, is sufficient. Only thing is, people should be ready. Okay, there should be enthusiastic people or residents for this idea. Okay, because this is you can say some modern idea, right? So they should be ready for this. This is their concern. So this is all about ein Dorf für grüne Energy. All Dorf is village actually. This is all about this Feldheim village for green energy, for natural energy. Now we'll see Aufgaben 7 bis 9. Right now, first one is the Beispiel, that is example. So it is now die Biogasanlage gehört Economy, then gibt es seit einem 3-4 Jahre und the last one is produzierte Strom und Wärme. Okay, so what they are saying that it is C is the correct answer. Okay, that produces electricity and heat, particularly this biogas. Now we'll see one by one these questions. So, Aufgabe 7. In diesem Text, it is in this text. What is there? First one is die neue Technologie. It is called as technology von Eckhard Meyer. The next one is umweltfreundliche Stromproduktion in Feldheim. And the C is einen Studiengang an der Universität Göttingen. Okay, so these are the different answers given to you. That first one is the modern technology, new technology from this physicist Eckhard Meyer. Then the next one is some you can say environmental friendly energy production in Feldheim, electricity production in Feldheim, and the last one is einen Studiengang, meaning some student course in the University of Göttingen. So here B is the correct answer, right? Because this text is all about the this thing, environmental friendly energy production. Okay. Now we'll see Aufgabe 8. Die Wissenschaftler wollten zeigen, dass. Now the scientists, they say that first one is ein ganzes Dorf von moderner Energien leben kann. The next one is B is eine Bio, you can say in German, Biogaslage mehr Strom produziert als ein Dorf braucht. And the third one is man größere Mengen Strom sparen kann. Okay. Now here you can correct or mark the first one. That's the full village. The electricity or this energy is sufficient for full entire village. So A is the correct answer. Now the last one in this particular text, damit die Idee auch in die anderen Dörfer funktioniert. Okay. Now this idea for other villages is functions, it will work, and then the options are there. Benoit man will get, okay. Then one that actually it means that one will need lot of money. Then the B option is braucht man genug Platz für die Technik. One will need a lot of space for this technology. And third one is muss die Bevölkerung dafür sein. So actually the thing is this enthusiast or you can say enthusiastic residents we need. Okay, so C is the correct answer because actually it doesn't need more money, lot of money or lot of space, but it needs enthusiastic residents. They should be ready for this modern idea of technology. So this is all about text 1 from Teil 2. So that bonus tip I was going to give is whenever you get confused, okay, if you are clear, this is the correct answer, then 100% you can tick mark it. But if you are not sure or you are confused, okay, then one by one you just see which is not appropriate at all. First, you see, uh, other than which is correct, you say which is incorrect or which is not appropriate. Just remove that from your mind, that particular option. And again, you see which is not appropriate. Again, remove that also. And the rest, you can just tick mark it. Okay. Or whatever there, if you, they will give you these rules that you have to cross it and all that. So then you cross the correct one. Okay. So this is one bonus tip from me. So I hope this is clear with you. In next video, we'll see text 2 from this time to B1 lesson module. So that's all for today, friends. I'll be coming up with more exam related videos. So stay tuned. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you and bye bye.